Hey everyone, and welcome back to 5 Minute Gourmet. Today, we're diving into a recipe that looks and tastes like it came straight from a high-end restaurant. But believe me, it's incredibly easy to make right at home. We're talking about a rich, decadent, and absolutely stunning creamy Tuscan salmon. This dish is perfect for a weeknight treat or for when you want to impress someone special without spending hours in the kitchen. It's packed with flavor, it's elegant, and it comes together in no time. If you're ready to elevate your dinner game, you've come to the right place. Let's get cooking. Alright, let's gather our all-star cast of ingredients. First up, the star of the show, beautiful salmon fillets. You'll also need some good quality olive oil, a few cloves of finely minced garlic, and some vibrant, flavor-packed sun-dried tomatoes. For our greens, we have a generous handful of fresh spinach. And for that luxurious, creamy sauce, we'll be using heavy cream and freshly grated Parmesan cheese. That's it. Just a few simple, high-quality ingredients are all you need to create this masterpiece. Make sure you have everything ready to go, because once we start, this dish comes together very quickly. First things first, let's give our salmon some love. Pat your fillets dry with a paper towel. This is key to getting that beautiful, crispy skin. Season them generously on both sides with salt and pepper. Now, heat a good drizzle of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place the salmon fillets skin side down. You want to hear that sizzle. Let them sear for about 4 to 5 minutes, until the skin is golden and crispy. Don't be tempted to move them around too much. Then, flip them over and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through to your liking. Once done, gently remove the salmon from the pan and set it aside on a plate. That beautifully cooked salmon is the foundation of our dish. Now, we're going to build our incredible Tuscan sauce right in the same pan. Don't you dare clean it. All those brown bits from the salmon are pure flavor. Reduce the heat to medium and add a little more olive oil if needed. Toss in your minced garlic and cook for about 30 seconds until it is fragrant. Be careful not to let it burn. Next, add the sun-dried tomatoes and saute for another minute to release their intense, sweet flavor. Then, it's time for the spinach. Add it in batches if you need to. It looks like a lot, but it will wilt down in no time. Stir it all together until the spinach is just wilted. Now, for the magic. Pour in the heavy cream and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Let it bubble away for a couple of minutes, stirring occasionally, until the sauce starts to thicken up nicely. Our sauce is looking rich and amazing, and now it's time for the final touches. Turn the heat down to low and stir in the freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Keep stirring until the cheese is completely melted and the sauce is smooth, velvety, and absolutely irresistible. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning with a little salt and pepper if you feel it needs it. Now, for the grand finale. Gently return the seared salmon fillets to the pan, nestling them into that glorious creamy sauce. Use a spoon to ladle some of that delicious sauce right over the top of each fillet, making sure they get fully coated in all that goodness. Let it all warm through together for just another minute or so, allowing the salmon to soak up all those fantastic flavors. The aroma in your kitchen right now should be absolutely heavenly. And there you have it, a breathtakingly delicious creamy Tuscan salmon, ready to be served. To finish, I love to garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley for a pop of color and a touch of freshness. Serve this masterpiece immediately, perhaps with some crusty bread to mop up every last drop of that incredible sauce, or over a bed of pasta or steamed vegetables. You've just created a gourmet meal in minutes. I really hope you give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to 5-Minute Gourmet for more easy and elegant recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.